Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by s square everything to the power of 2. Later that we can use about integration. By substitution. So I will put about s square equals to u. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and this one we have 2s ds. This one we have number 1, and so we have 1 du. Next we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine t. Later that I will put this one gone here, and we have 1 minus sine t square. 1 minus sine t square we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and du. Now we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine t dt. So I will put this one gone here. This one gone here. Du we change by this one. So this one we change by cosine t square. This one we have cosine t. Next, we simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. Now I will put 1 over 2 gone here. Next, we multiply by 1 minus sine t on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 minus sine t square. And this one we have cosine t square. So we have 1 divided by cosine t square and sine t divided by cosine t square. This one we have secant of t square. The integration of secant of t square we have tan t. The next one that is about this one that is about sine t over cosine t, and we have 1 over cosine t. So this one in here we have tan t, and this one that is about secant of t. The integration of this one we have secant of t, and I will put about c. About t. So about this one we have t equal to arc sine of u. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about s square. This is the end. Thank you for watching.